So president, as I've said, anaitwa Captain Ibrahim Traore. You have the second country. There are three countries. You have Burkina Faso, you have Niger, ama Niger, kulingana na venye ulisomeshwa ama venye ulienda shule. We have Mali. Now, all those countries have had some coup d'etat. Kifaransa ni ngumu. Coup d'etat. They are ruled by wanaitwa military juntas. Ni watu ambao walichukua serikali through the military coups and everything. President of Niger anaitwa Chiani Abdurrahim. President of Mali Assimi Goita. And Assimi Goita is also the can we call him chairman of the Alliance of the Sahel States, inaitwa AES. Now, what is AES? AES is like the NATO of Sahel. So